Hello traders, Mark P. Markets here. My name is Mark Principato and I'm a chartered market technician, and thank you for joining me for another exclusive video technical analysis here for FXEmpire. So in this session I'm going to be going over Bitcoin and why we're not taking any new buy signals at the moment and what we're anticipating for the into early next week. So with that being said, this is for educational purposes only. For investment advice, please consult a licensed investment advisor. Now, recently we had a long trade that got stopped out in the 950 area, okay, once it broke that 11K support. Since then, we've had this bearish leg that is still in play. Now, we talked about the 11,600 to 12,300 resistance zone. We tried taking a trade into that. Again, like I said, it didn't work. So here we are at the next inflection point, which I've mentioned quite a few times as well, around this 10.5 area. Now, the 10.5 area, we have a location, and we're getting some price structure in this location, but the problem is this bearish momentum is still likely in play. We are fooling around below the 10.5 support, okay, and we're still getting, we're not getting the right structure that we want to see in this little consolidation, and this consolidation is likely to act as a momentum continuation pattern, meaning if it takes out these lows here in the 10,000 area or the high 9,000s, it's likely to test lower. So until this pattern shows more of a bullish signal or a bullish structure, we would rather step aside because we do not short Bitcoin. Now, if this support at 10K breaks, then the next inflection point will be the low 9,000s. And that's an important support because that's the key support that defines this entire bullish structure since the March low. So if that's taken out, then that will force us to adjust our outlook from bullish to more of a neutral or range bound situation. All right, if we get the reversal structure in that location, we would be open to a new swing trade long, which would obviously have a lot more potential, at least in terms of going back into the middle of its range or back to the 10.5 support, which would be a resistance at that point. So that's what we're looking at for Bitcoin. Again, when things don't meet our criteria, it's very simple. We just step aside until they do. So thank you for watching. I'll leave you with that. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. My name is Mark Principato, Mark P. Markets, and I'll speak to you next time. Thank you.